Is your Google sign-in window in Chrome stubbornly stuck taking up only half your screen? Don't worry, we've got a quick fix for you. First, maximize your Chrome window to full screen. You can do this by clicking the square maximize button in the top right corner of the window, or by double-clicking the title bar at the very top. Next, minimize the Chrome window completely into your taskbar and then restore it again by clicking on the Chrome icon in the taskbar. Now, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of your Chrome browser to open the Chrome menu. Scroll down the menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see Advanced and click on the arrow to expand it. Scroll down again inside the expanded Advanced options until you find Reset and Cleanup, and click on it. Now, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will pop up. Click Reset Settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs, but your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. This will, hopefully, resolve any display glitches causing the half-screen sign-in issue. After the reset, try signing into your Google account. Again, the sign-in prompt should now display correctly, utilizing the full Chrome window. If the problem persists, consider checking your display resolution settings in Windows or restarting your computer for good measure. That's it. Problem solved.